Meet the friendly gorilla who's so strong. He can bench press a jungle. Welcome, Scribble Peep artists. Let's start with a magic circle. Think of it as our gorilla's personal space bubble. This is where our mighty friend will be hanging out. Then we can draw that strong arm. Imagine our gorilla lifting a mountain just to say hello. Next, sketch out the line that will define his face. It's like drawing a treasure map for his smile and eyes to follow. Speaking of eyes, let's draw them next. Picture them as tiny jungle lanterns, lighting up the forest night. And a hairdo that says, "I'm cool and I know it," which will go awesome with these dots for the eyes and the nose. And of course, a cheeky little smile. Finally, before we unleash the next level of awesomeness with our super marker, let's finish our pencil sketch by giving our gorilla the rest of his body. With a marker in hand, let's start the show. Add a tuft of hair, let the jungle glow. Next, let's sketch out the face, to make it cool, bold, and bright, and add those big twinkling eyes, to light up the night. Dots for the nose and eyes so keen, a smile that's dazzling and super serene. Strong arms that flex, and a body so grand, our gorilla will be ready, and the best in the land. I am super happy with our work. Our gorilla is almost done. Before we finish, feel free to add some fun and cool details. Imagine your gorilla's favorite hobby, and add any cool details that fit, like sunglasses or a funky hat. And let me know in the comments what you came up with. And you know what else fits good? Colors. So pick your favorite shades, and go wild. Here's how fabulous mine turned out. And remember, there are more free and fabulous videos at scribblepeeps.com. Bye!